brighten your reading time. I have here this clip-on book light, perfect companion for late night reading, studying, working on crafts. This one is compact, lightweight, and it really makes it easy to create the ideal glow while you're reading. So the first reason why I chose this is the light. So it is a flicker-free illumination, and it won't strain your eyes. It has 3 settings. So first click, second click, third click. And depending on your environment, you can illuminate as needed. The flexible and secure clip, you could put this on a book. It really opens up. Put it on your book, put it on your Kindle, a music stand if you're reading sheet music, or really any craft or hobby setting. You can use the plug for a USB port, or the batteries go here in the back, and it takes 3 AAA batteries. The batteries are not included, as always, but batteries going back. So basically, lightweight, easy to throw in your bag to travel with. This clip-on delivers reliable, adjustable lighting, and I highly, highly recommend it.